It's finally here. I got some customized Nike Dunks and they finally arrived after almost 2 months. But I guess since they're customized, I guess it'll take longer. So let's do an unboxing. To HKG, I guess the customization's done in Hong Kong. Let's open this baby up. Ooh, the box is kind of fancy. Look at that. Nike by you. It's cute. Oh yeah. So you may think that since it's customized, there's probably it got some like really funky colors or crazy colorful, but actually I chose something super simple. So I wonder if it's even worth the customization. I just chose a really simple gum sole with the black check and the black Nike on the heel. There we go. This is my first pair of Dunks because I usually wear Air Force Ones, but I wanted something less chunky. So I feel like this is like a little slimmer of a shoe. Beautiful. 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 Look at these babies.